Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's microscopy series, we're diving into the extraordinary inner world of a common food item, the coconut. Stay with me to see what this superfood looks like under the microscope and what we'll discover in the name of science. Now, under the microscope, we can see how complex each of these fibers is. Each fiber of this intertwined structure contains microscopic channels that allow water and nutrients to circulate within the fruit. At the same time, the tiny droplets appearing between these fibers may contain the natural oils of the coconut.